Hey guys, it's Jason with Ingrain Woodworks. So I went and did something that I told myself I wasn't going to do. And I bought a brand new joiner. So here's the crazy part about this. I've actually never used a joiner before. Nope, never touched one. When buying new tools, I have messed up in the past by just not buying one nice enough and regretting it immediately. So I went hard here and got the Grizzly G0490X 8-inch helical head planer. This thing is an absolute beast. Due to the size of this thing, they wouldn't even deliver it with a liftgate service. So I had it dropped off at my day job, and then I had a forklift put it on my trailer so that I could bring it home. I am a horrible mechanic. I'm definitely a woodworker by nature, so this was a struggle for me to put this together. I read the instructions word by word to make sure I didn't screw something up. Because of this thing being so heavy, thank goodness it comes with wheels. As you can see here, the dust collection port was cracked in the top right corner, but it's not that big of a deal. I had full intentions of doing this by myself, but after lifting it a little bit, I quickly realized I needed to call in some backup.
This is legit.
Thanks, bro. It is legit. But for real, this tool is so heavy and it's so nice to have a tool that is made from like cast steel. Like, it just feels like this thing is going to be in my family for generations. I now have the joiner, I have a Grizzly planer, and I have a Grizzly dust collection system. And to be honest with you, I've had zero problems with these machines.
So what's this? A planer?
Joiner.
A joiner? And you need that?
Yep. Fellas, you see how easy that was? Just tell them how it is. So assembling the fence took me a little bit. Since I've never used a joiner, I don't even know how it works, so I had to kind of learn how it works and how it's assembled at the same time. Now, I will have to have another plug ran dedicated for this, but for the time being, I'll just share a plug with my planer. You probably can't see it there, but that was like top tier entertainment for me right there. I'm not gonna lie. That's something I've been wanting to do for quite some time. Thank you guys for watching, and if you would, please subscribe, comment, and like everything. It really helps me out. Thank you so much, and have a great day.